This is the second time we go. Yeah, a lot of fun. Heidi's birthday coaster.
And we can say that I won on the first round.
Yeah, she did. She did good.
Yeah.
She did real good. Come early in the morning in the fall, and there's no one here.
Oh yes, very comfortable, by the way. Yeah.
Got a little hanging dude up there. That's pretty funny.
Yeah.
Like it. All right, time to race.
All right, time to race. Wonderful. We're gonna race at the same time. These two guys
Next event, and we won't get you lined up. We'll just let them know that's who you want to race with, all right?
Very cool. Fun roller coaster. Pigeon Forge racing coaster. And it's right around 3 minutes or so. And initially you don't have to push down or anything. Just to bring you up to the top before you race. Very well done. Again. Almost. All right. So for this we paid $50 for 3 rides, and it's good for 48 hours. They give us a free VR experience at another facility down the road with that $50. And the 3 rides that you get for their $50 is for 48 hours, so you can come back within that time. So this is our second ride during the day, and we're going to do the nighttime, of course. I think I've mentioned that 3 or 4 times already. Heidi got me on that last time by a couple miles an hour. Let's see if I can't do better here on the outside coaster. Pretty fun so far. Beautiful weather. Today's high is like 77 degrees. October 15th, 2025. All right. Supposedly we went 25 miles an hour. Let's find out. Pedal to the metal, sweetheart. All right. See you at the bottom.
Start your engines.
Here she goes. All right, I'm going to see if I can't stay straight on this one. She's by me on this one. Here she goes. Here's Heidi up there. Fun times. Pretty good. Whoop. I don't think I caught you on that last bit. All right, she's heading up the rear here. All right, up we go here. Second part of the ride. And this right here, you don't have to push down on the things here, little stop and starts. It's pretty nice. Seatbelt is pretty tight. You're not going anywhere with this thing. All right, this time I'm going to try a little bit different vantage. I'm going to see if I can actually hold my arm up a little bit. I don't think it's going to get hurt. We'll find out. I'm going to see a little slightly different vantage point, a little higher. It'll be interesting to actually get the GoPro actually down there, stuck down there. See what that's like. All right, so I won't bore you on this part. I'm going to turn it off. All right, this one right here, I'm actually going to kind of move the camera around a little bit. All right, push the handles forward.
Start your engines.
Gonna move this thing around a little bit. Whoa! Definitely faster. Definitely faster. This side was definitely faster near the end. Pretty nice. That was it. There she goes. Very nice. All right. All right, I got Heidi on this one. I was on the fast course, red course. Her time, she's 38, 220. And second lap was 234 for a total time of 4 minutes and 54 seconds. I'm 19. I got two.
You were 38.
Oh, you were 19. So 227, 235 for a total time of 5:02. And I had 4:54.
I don't know how to work this.
So again, that red course, always the red course. Always check the red course. Do the red course. All right, fun times. This right here, you can check out your video as well as your pictures. Little kiosk in case you want to make a purchase. Very nice.